After a few years of being in hiatus from performing in the Grand Sinulog stage, the Abellana National School is back with a bang since their last appearance in 2015. They may only be joining as guest performers this year, but they have prepared a concept that would remind us once again of the beautiful Filipino tradition of holding the simbang gabi.
Among i-showcase ang original yun nga bangaw, meaning pagpamukaw sa mga tao para magpundok sila padung ngadto sa katedral pag-celebrate sa kanang gitawag nato og kaning simbang gabi.
Over the years, this contingent has received numerous awards and has won first place for Sinulog sa Kabataan sa Dakbayan Secondary Division for 3 times already. Bringing their school's banner, the members of the group are students from Abellana National School who were inspired to volunteer by their teachers who also serve as their dance choreographers. They are offering their dance performance as a prayer to Señor Santo Niño to grant their goals and dreams for the future. One of the lead dancers highlighted the role of the youth in taking part of the Sinulog celebration. And despite the exhaustion that they feel juggling both school and dance practices, the feeling of fulfillment is incomparable to their faith and devotion to the Holy Child Jesus.
Maduol magota sa Senior Santo Niño niya kuan ato pagtuo niya kami mga bata pa kay nindot yun siya nga experience nga maka-apil mig Sinulog kay kanamurag kuan man namo ini dako namo kana hala naka-apil ni ani kanini nindot kini siyang experience makaingon niyan maka-story mi sa mga salain tao sa mga future nga mga anak.
They aim to bring the message of unity for all the Cebuanos in these trying times, especially for the ones seated in position, not just for the progress of Cebu, but for the whole country.
Magkahiusa para sa kaayuhan sa ato, especially diri sa Cebu nga kebawon gyud ta nga mga tao nga wala kay magkahiusa sa pagduma sa ato ang syudad. Ako lang atong i-pray sa among sayaw nga unta nga usar gyud atong tuyo ug tumong para ta mo progress as a whole sa Cebu City ngadto na sa Sugbo Phiippines.
With its fresh set of dancers, expect a performance full of youthful grace and beautiful smiles from Abellana National School. This has been Queenie Joligon for Sinulog 2024 sa MyTV.